So you are a small business and you just figure out you can sell your product or your service through Instagram. And this new idea sounds very overwhelming, huh? But the good news is it is easier than you think. And on today's video, I want to share with you what could you post on your social media. Hi everyone, my name is Brunna. I am a content creator at B2Ns Media and I love creating content on the internet. Many of my clients keep asking me where does it come so much creativity from, and it's just a matter of practice. So I decided today to share some ideas of content that you can post, because just taking pictures of your product might not sell that much yet. So if you like this kind of content, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm brand new here. Actually, this is the YouTube account from my company. Figured that some of my clients might need some idea, and people out there could also enjoy content like this. So please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and welcome. There's many things that you could post on your social media, on the social media from your business. But the main idea is you think about who's watching, who's the person who might be interested on what you want to share. When you think about that social media is consumed by humans, not many people think about that when you talk about Instagram, algorithms, technology. Sometimes you forget that actually people are watching it. So people like to see stories behind the scenes, they like to connect with challenges. So follow my lead when I say, how about posting a client testimonial? Not so difficult as you think. Imagine a WhatsApp you received from your client who said, I love what you did, it's a great product, I recommend it. Print screen that, make a nice post out of it. Your followers are gonna love to know that your product is good. Make a checklist of benefits of your product, how it can solve someone's problems, how it can benefit someone's life. Make it a checklist and carousel where people can swipe it and learn even more about what you do. And talking about carousel and checklist, why not make a checklist about myths? Myths of something that you sell or something that you offer. Some people are going to be intrigued and might even bring some interaction to your post. So the client already know what you sell. So what else could you post on social media? I would say, have you show how does your client receive your product? If it's someone delivered, if you send it by mail, if you send it by post, if it's a digital product, does your client know how he's going to receive it? Think about it. Another checklist you can do is a checklist about frequent questions asked, doubts that your client might have. Think about the person who consumes your product. They might not know how to prepare, how to use it, where could it be used. Make a checklist about that. And how about showing the process of the production of your product? And behind the scenes will bring a bit more intimacy between your client and you. Show it how it's done, how is it made, how you come up with ideas. Show them what else is new you're bringing to them. And of course, don't forget to share anything your client posts about you. Stories, reels, feed posts, share it. Clients love to be seen, and new clients love to see real people taking advantage of the product or the service you offer. I really hope you like today's tips. I know everything is a little bit awkward because I'm used to make videos in Portuguese, but my intention is the best. I really want to help small business owners to create an impact on social media. I think that with the experience I have, maybe I can help some of you out there. So I see you in the next video. Bye.